Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am installing and reviewing this hair. It's Klaiyi Hair, and this is their wand wave curl texture. The picture does look a little bit different than what the actual texture is, and I will show you in the video what it looks like when I wash the hair and just let it dry after I bleach the knots. To me, it's pretty much like a body wave texture. The hair is really nice, and I got it in 26 inches, and the lace is transparent lace, but it's a nice transparent lace. It's not like the white transparent lace, but I will show you guys that in the video. And yeah, I really like it. I wanted more of like a natural type of looking install, so I took some hairs out in the front, and the baby hairs are just like kind of messy, but the texture is really nice, the hair is really nice, the length is awesome and everything. It was easy to work with, and I'll show you guys more details in the video. If you guys want more info on the hair, I will put everything in the description down below, and if you would like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I'm already pretty much bald, and what you want to do is make sure you use like a darker shade. So I use Toast and Dark Cocoa like for the perimeter, and then I just go in with my foundation just for this part, but you always want to make sure it's always darker around here so that when the glue goes on, it makes it lighter. It matches very well. For the hair, the texture is really like, it's like a natural curl. It was supposed to be a wand curl texture, right? So I mean, it is a wand curl texture, but when you wash it and let it dry, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just like, to me, I feel like it's just like a body wave wig. I really didn't think that those curls would last, because when you wash hair, it just goes back to its natural texture. So this is what you will get when you wash it, but the hair feels really, really soft. Like, you can tell that it's good quality. I also went ahead and plucked, and the lace is really nice. It's transparent lace, but I like this kind of transparent lace. It has like a little tint to match my skin tone, but it's almost as thin as HD lace. Pretty much is, and I like this lace. It's more durable and really thin and nice, you guys can see. And I went ahead and bleached the knots and also plucked. And I do have a plucking tutorial you guys can see on my channel, but went ahead and plucked it a little bit. I can always pluck more if needed. And now I'm gonna put my foundation shade in here as well. Gonna put it on, and this is a 13 by 4. I think they might have been out of 13 by 6 like worldwide, because nobody is doing any 13 by 6 reviews. Oh, this is giving. I knew this was gonna be really good, because when I was plucking and everything, like, it plucked really easily. The knots bleached pretty well, didn't give me a hard time, and the hair quality, it just feels really good. And you can also tell, like, when you use your hot comb and like brush it back, if it takes the heat well, I mean, it's going to be great quality. I'm going to just cut it a little bit. Okay, and now I'm just using like a pencil to mark. And before I proceed, I'm just going to clean up this area so that we can work on a clean surface. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but like my installs have kind of been a little bit more like forward. And I feel like this way you kind of protect your hair more. Like, even though I do have the wig cap on, like my little edges that you just can't like get in the wig cap or anything, those are also getting protected. Like, I'm not losing any hair or anything, and I feel like that's the best method. And even taking off your wig, it's a bit easier. Okay, and for glue, I'm gonna put about 3 to 4 layers, and I'm using Ghost Bond Platinum. Okay, so I think I did 4 layers. I did 4 layers and it looks like it should be good to glue. So now, like always, just match up the markings. And then you really want to press into the glue. Perfect. And now I'm gonna I think I'm gonna leave some edges this time, like also in the front. So I'm gonna take out a little thin like section, so like where I think my edges will be and stuff. And I'm going to take my hot comb this stuff back. And then push, just kind of lightly tap on it. And then taking my elastic, you just want to wrap it like wherever you glued for some melting action. Everything feels so tight right now, but I'm gonna wait about 5 minutes and then I'll be back and we'll cut the lace and do the edges. Okay, now time to take off. Yeah, this is hella bomb. I think it's because I plucked a little bit extra than usual. Now I'm just gonna cut the lace. And then I think I'll do the edges like last. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the lace first and then we'll style the hair. Now I'm just going to cut the edges and curl them before I curl the rest of the hair.
du soleil, pas de 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 soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
I'm just gonna fix the edges up a little bit. They just have to be brushed, but they're not bad. Okay, I think we are done. I'm just gonna brush the hair. The hair is really nice. I'm just not sure if I wanted layers or anything. I like the long, I guess like the low density look, like this. The waves are cute. And that is the final look. I'll show you guys, look at the texture. It looks so good. The lace is awesome. It's giving scalp and everything. And that is it for this video. And if you guys would like to purchase this hair, I'll put everything in the description down below. And make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Comment below what you'd like to see and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.